Hi students, I am Lavdeep Singh here. Today I will teach you Chapter 4 Set Our Children Free. Please open page number 30. In last video I explained you page number 28 and 29 of this chapter. Let me explain you the word meanings. Deliberations in conferences means decisions made in meetings. Prescription means recommendations. Inculcate means instill an idea. Globalize means throughout the world. Intergenerational means affecting many generations. Sense of urgency means feeling that fast action is required. Democratize knowledge means let education be for everyone. Universalize justice means let justice be given to all. Ebola is a kind of high fever. Passivity means lack of initiative. Pessimism means to look on the dark side or having negative feeling. Come to page number 30. Kailash Satyarthi says many solutions are coming out to give the education to the poor and needy people of the world. But he said that this cannot be done by making decisions made in the meeting or recommendations from the other part of the world. For this we have to ask other person what he can do. Here Kailash Satyarthi recalled a story of his childhood. A heavy fire had broken out in the forest. All the animals were running away, including the lion, the king of the forest. Suddenly he saw a small bird rushing toward the fire and he asked the bird, "What are you doing?" To the lion's surprise, the bird replied, "I am going to put out the fire." The lion laughed and said, "Wow, can you do it by just one drop of water in your beak?" The bird was adamant and she said, "I am doing a bit means a little work." Friends, we live in the age of the rapid globalization. As we are connected to the other part of the world through high-speed internet, we exchange our goods and services in one global market. Number of flights are connecting us from one corner to the another corner of the globe, but there is lack of compassion. Compassion means love and care. So let us instill an idea of this uh, among the people of the world, and let us globalize the compassion. Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach real peace in the world, then we shall have to begin with our children. And let us unite the world through the compassion for our children. Then he asked, whose children are they who stitch footballs yet never played with one? Whose children are they who harvest cocoa but never tasted chocolate? Whose children are they who are dying of high fever? Whose children are they who are kidnapped and held hostage? And they are all our children. Then Kailash Satyarthi says that I remember a 8-year-old girl which he rescued uh, from the labor from the stone mines. When she was sitting in his car after a rescue, she asked Kailash Satyarthi, "Why did you not come earlier?" So this her angry question still shakes Kailash Satyarthi, and it has the power to shake the whole world. So children are questioning our inaction and watching our actions. We need an collective action to solve this matter. Every single minute matters, every single child matters, every single childhood matters. So therefore I, means Kailash Satyarthi, challenge the passivity and pessimism around the surrounding our children. He challenges this culture of silence and this culture of passivity and this culture of neutrality. So next page I will explain you in next video. Thanks.